Yo, what it is, guys? WNT Adventures here. Today I will show you a really good recipe for hamburgers, homemade. Let's go. Let's make this.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Hey. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you.
Okay, guys, first of all, let's bring the stuff. Now, I mean, this. We're gonna place this here. We're gonna sharpen our knife a little bit, because we are going to chop this meat. Ribs, marinated. We're gonna chop it off real fine. As you can see, it's marinated real good. We're gonna take up the bones without losing a lot of meat. Okay. The less meat you can lose and leave in bones. So once you take all the bones out. Bueno, mi gente, el día de hoy aquí estamos. Voy a hacer hamburguesas aquí, pero también voy a combinarle con este tipo de carne, que son las costillitas preparadas. Entonces va a ser costillitas preparadas, marinadas, con la carne molida normalmente. So I'm gonna chop, like I said, this real fine and mix it with the shredded beef, and obviously it gives more flavor, way different. Of course you have to put your own condiments, season it, and boom, baby. Entonces esta carne, señores, la sazonan a su gusto. Esta, por ejemplo, quise probar este sazón que tiene la carnita estas costillitas, pero lo pueden sazonar a su gusto. Vamos a colocarle more bones, meat. La sazonan a su gusto, pueden agarrarlo también no sazonada y ustedes mismos lo sazonan aquí en su casa. I was saying, guys, you can also get this kind of meat non-marinated. You can do it your own style, your own taste at home. I just wanted to know what's the flavor on this marinated that they put and store. I bought this in El Ranch Market. Yeah, I like to go get I finished shopping the ribs. Let's go with this meat. Chicos, ya terminé de picar bien la carne de las costillitas. Vamos a echar esta carne molida para revolverlo dice. No revolver. I'm trying to leave no meat right here in this thing. Oh, there's more right here. All right. Now, for seasoning, I am going to use, how's it better right here? Good. I'm going to use this seasoning and this. And put it up close. These two. There you go. Boom, baby. I'm gonna do this really slow because whoo, it will get me sneezing like crazy. I cooked the bones with a little meat. Now we're gonna mix everything real good. Real good. Alright guys, well now I'm gonna chop the potatoes. I'm gonna do it like a medium size. Alright guys, I am here with this beauty. Look at this. Look at this. Let's put it on. Look at this beauty, guys. Ain't that so pretty and perfect? Tasty. Let's close this to make it more better. So guys, what I use is rib meat, regular shredded beef, some spices, which is the one that I got is this one. It has garlic, red chili. How you guys? Let me know down in the comment how you guys like your meat. Medium rare, well done. I like it medium rare, so. They're looking good. They're looking good. Doesn't look like they're shrinking too much. There we go. For real. Amazing. I got fries and burgers ready.